Girl, I could steal your man with this dinner I just cooked, bro. Take a good look. Welcome to another video with Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. I don't know how to sing, but welcome to another video. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya.
Okay, so this is the problem with Cooking with Kaya. Don't nobody care that y'all men want a woman with a nice natural body and a pretty face. You know that's normal. But the problem is the fact that y'all want that type of woman to go half on bills. Like, ain't nobody about to be doing all that. Yeah, here's your food, babe. Catering to you and doing all that when you not even putting nothing in the equation for her. Like, I wouldn't be like, I would rather live by myself than live with a man. Like, living with y'all is really like living with kids. Like, y'all want somebody to cook, cater to you, stay in shape, all that, have y'all kids, all that. And you talking about going half on bills? And then you asking these women to move in with you into your spot to help you pay your bills. No. She could go somewhere and sell cat. She could go somewhere and get on OF. She could go somewhere and dance. She ain't got to be bothered with you. That's the problem. The going half on bills part is the problem. Y'all asking for top notch, but want her to help you with your bills. No. Like,
Cooking with Kaya is just another example that y'all ain't really girls. And I just love how y'all keep exposing y'allself that the girls thing ain't real. I've been saying the girls thing wasn't real for a long time, and everybody thought that I was just being mean. But now everybody's finally getting to see that I wasn't being mean. I was being honest. It's not real. Y'all are mad, and I'm going to say jealous, at the fact that there's a bunch of men making videos talking about how attractive this Cooking with Kaya girl is. And she is a nice looking girl with a nice natural body. And y'all are sitting up talking about, I don't get the hype. I don't get the hype. Let me sit you down and look you in your face when I tell you this. It's not for you to get the hype. It's not for you, right? If men are getting online and saying that they find her to be attractive, you questioning why they find her attractive is weird. These men keep telling y'all that they like natural women. They want a naturally attractive girl with a nice fit body. She fits all of that. She got a nice natural face. She got a nice natural body. Right? But y'all are so hung up and so brainwashed by these BBL outrageous proportioned bodies that you just find it so hard to believe that men could just like a natural fit body. Like you can't fathom that because you're so brainwashed that you think that out of proportion body is what everybody want because that's what you want. That's what you think look good, right? You think all that makeup with them bust down wigs is what everybody want because that's what you like, right? You like that Jada way to look. You like that Ari look. So you assume that that's what every man must fantasize about. No, it's not. It's not. And they keep telling y'all that. But again, because y'all are still so silly and stupid that you keep mixing in what men like to sleep with, what men lust after versus what men actually like. Because you still can't separate that in 2024, you still keep defaulting to this BBL bust down Instagram baddie look as being every man's dream. And it's not, it's your dream. You want to look like those girls. You want to be those girls, and you're projecting it onto men.
All right, today is Monday. I'm going to spend a couple minutes to talk about this, and then, I got to go and record for my stock channel. Listen. I'm going to tell you exactly why women don't like Cooking with Kaya, all right? And it's really simple. It's because Kaya represents everything that they said they didn't care about for the gram. But secretly, when the cameras are off and the page is closed, behind closed doors, they're doing everything they can to be the very thing that they said that they don't represent. Y'all said that y'all didn't represent and put on clothes, hair, makeup, and nails for men. Kaya said, nah, I look this good with the ability to take your man, right? She's youthful, she's pretty, she's fit, and she clearly takes care of her body at the gym. The gym for your own self-confidence, right? Cool. Every chance y'all get, y'all telling men about how you not about to cater to them, how you not about to cook no meals, you not about to clean, you not about to do this, you not about to do that. Every chance y'all get, y'all talking about how y'all exhausted from doing house chores and you not cooking no full meals. You ain't got time for that. Meanwhile, Kaya is saying, nah, get up and cook for your man before I do it. And we all know, all right, we all know that it's a thinly veiled threat, right, behind the more important focal point, which is her using that type of dialogue to further her brand, because nobody actually believes that this young lady wants every one of y'all's dusty ass men, right? But because she understands the marketing aspect of what she's doing, she's using it to gain clicks, views, and to get y'all hating ass women who said that y'all didn't care about what men thought to get upset and talk about her in TikTok videos, which inevitably just helps her brand grow even more. But it's a fascinating thing to me, okay, to watch the hate that that woman has and that women have for her. And it's even more interesting to watch it play out in real time. Here we have a young lady who was able to create a brand. From what I've seen, there's no OnlyFans attached to this young lady. She's not busting it open on camera. She's not out here on her knees for clicks and views and monthly subscriptions. She's literally cooking food. Now, she might do a little shimmy or a little dance here and there. Might even throw a little booty in a circle before she gets to the video. But she's fully clothed, and then she gets to work in the kitchen. And I mean, she's really cooking. This is her brand. And you have women out here who are frustrated and beyond themselves with jealousy, and for what?
I do know how to fight, but I don't fight.
That's right.
What you asking that for?
Because girls be hating on you, I be seeing it.
Yeah, I know. I heard they making group chats about jumping me, killing me.
Really? You're lying.
They're making group chats. I promise you, to kill me, jump me, all kinds of stuff.
Really?
Really? Yeah, people leaking my address.
Really? It gotta be the food. I want you
It's the food.
I want you to season it then, because I don't want to.
No, I got you. Come on, I'm gonna lead you. Come on, just cut up a little bit more.
But I think what really bothers and disturbs you all the most is her level of femininity and her soft persona. It's the mere fact that she's a girl's girl that isn't leading with masculine energy. It's just the opposite. Y'all saw the clip where DDG is asking her if she knows how to fight. And her response is basically, yeah, but I'm not fighting nobody. I'm not fighting nobody. This girl is receiving death threats and threats of physical violence, all for what? For what? It's the fact that she's catering to men and their desires. Oh my God, the audacity of a woman to cater to a man, right? There's two things that men love. Two things. Food and beautiful women with great attitudes and good energy. It's not hard to see why she blew up. It's no wonder. It's no wonder she went from 1,700 followers to 1 million followers in a matter of days. Men are longing for a cooking with Kaya. And it don't even matter if they can have her or not. It's just the fact that she's an active representation of what men are looking for, of what men want, that keeps men coming back to what her brand is offering. That's it. But all in all, I think it's pretty pathetic that grown women are shading this young lady as if she's out here committing some kind of egregious crime against the feminist community. She's not scamming. She's not out here pretending like she's some big entrepreneur, fake-ass entrepreneur. If you click on the links on her page, it's simply a link to her YouTube and her TikTok, where she's actually cooking food. Good food, good-looking food. But I think this just highlights the real problem with women, and it's that you all are constantly in competition with one another. And y'all truly hate to see when another woman elevates and is appreciated by a multitude of men when it doesn't align with what you think. You all are miserable. You're living fake personas with fake ass facades of feminism, trapped behind your little phones and social media in a world where you only pay attention and respect the women that tell you everything that you want to fucking hear. That's the truth. To the rest of you ladies who actually live the feminine lifestyle and exude that soft and loving nature that men love, we appreciate you. Don't ever change. Find you a good man and kick the rest of these jealous hoes to the curb. Do not allow these bitter ass, hateful ass, raggedy, used up tricks to change you from who you are at your core. We love y'all, all right? We love y'all. Sincerely, the men who love real, feminine, soft women.